Alright, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everyone and welcome back to Authentic Media. So in this particular video, we are going to be talking about how to claim your share portion, or let me say your claim your share token, which is a CYS. So this particular claim your share is an update that I shared with you guys sometimes around May, I think beginning of May, yes. So it's just a very quick airdrop by then, and now the claiming has already started. So I want to show you guys how to claim your own. So this is their official verified Twitter handle, okay. And if you scroll down here, you will see that this particular post was made on okay, you will see that this particular post was made 2 days ago. Okay, yeah, 2 days ago, and it reads in part. All right, so let me just open it fully. It says technical maintenance complete. The platform is now running better than ever. Performance improved, stability improved, infrastructure upgraded, and now the countdown begins. Only 7 days remain until the end of the claim period. All users have a total of 10 days to request their CYS allocation. After the claim window closes, unclaimed allocations will no longer be available. Important, on-chain CYS withdrawals will become available on June 10. So June 10, those that were not able to claim, I guess will be able to claim on chain or whatever. I don't really know, but we don't just have to wait till the last minute of the claiming. So we just have to go ahead and do this right now. So the community have 7 days to claim their CYS to their wallets, okay? And out of that 7 days, 2 days is already out. So you're supposed to know what to do. Immediately after watching this video, do what I do immediately and claim your own, right? So that is just basically that. And they said that after the claim window closes, unclaimed allocation will no longer be available. So if you know you participated in this airdrop, you just have to do what I do and claim your token. Then probably the next thing will be TGE and listing. All right, so we just hope and pray, watch and see how everything turns out to play at the end of the day. Probably this particular one will reward you guys. So this particular button says claim live. So this is the link that you can use to claim. 72 hours until CYS is sent to your wallet. So if you claim right now, you have to wait a maximum of 72 hours for you to receive your CYS in your wallet. So this particular project is a project under Solana blockchain. So for me, I farmed this project in my Phantom wallet. So I don't know if you know you farmed it, you're supposed to be the one to know where you farmed your own. Maybe you farmed it in your normal browser or in your Phantom. But me, any project under Solana blockchain, I usually farm them in my Phantom wallet for easy accessibility. So I'm going to be dropping this link in the description section and comment section of this particular video, or probably just the description section of this video, and also in our community. So from there you can copy it and head straight to your wallet and check if you participated in the airdrop and claim your own. So real quick, let me head straight to my Phantom wallet and we can proceed from there. All right, so this is my Phantom. So all you have to do is just to copy the link and come to the search bar of your Phantom wallet, or let me say any wallet that you use at all, probably your browser. You're supposed to know the one you use. So once you are here, you click on sites, then you paste the link right here. All right, so once you paste the link, you enter the link. Okay, so let me just click on search. Let's proceed. Claim your share, and let's wait for it to load up. Then we can move from there, okay? All right, so here's the dashboard. Token distribution, claim your CYS token. So this is my rank in the project, 146,000. I'm among the top 6% of people, and over 2.5 million farm this particular project. That's really, really huge. Okay, so task done. In random, let me say at the end of the whole thing, I was able to do 12 tasks, 36 days active, total referrals 14, only 2 were active. It's all good. Number since May 4th. Yeah, like I said, I shared this update with my community since beginning of May. Yeah, I joined May 4th, and my rank is a starter with 42 TXX. So here is the referral bonus, the task, the mystery boss, the wallet scan, and everything. So this is the amount of points that I was able to accumulate in this particular project, around 4,372, which amounts to 5,218 CYS tokens. So as you guys can see my dashboard right here, it says you will receive 5,740 CYS tokens. So you can click on claim right now. So they are just showing us the breakdown of how they were able to land on this particular allocation. That is after they have done their calculation of what I have. 104,000 divided by 20, x 1.1, x equals to 5,470. So you can just hit on claim button right here. Okay, you can just hit on claim button right here and proceed, or you can come to this small button over here to see a lot of things about the project. So you can come here to look how everything is going. This is the claim button, this is your dashboard, this is the task session, the leaderboard, your referral count, wallet scan, competition, withdrawal roadmap, settings and everything. So you just have to take your time, come here and navigate how everything goes in this particular project. So let me click on withdraw. Let's see what is there. So if you participated in this project, you must have accumulated at least some amount of Solana for yourself, and you guys can see this is based on task, the amount of SOL that I got during this project. So I participated in the task and I got 0.0087 Solana, and as you guys can see, it is withdrawable. So I don't really know. Let me first of all claim my CYS token and try and see if I can be able to withdraw that Solana. So I'll just hit on claim. I'll click on confirm and claim. Then let's see how it goes. It's processing. Okay, you can see claim successfully. Your CYS points have been converted to CYS tokens. Okay, so it's no longer here. Okay, withdrawal available in 71 hours, 59 minutes and 48 seconds. So claim confirmed. So claim your CYS token, and this is what I'm going to be receiving. You will receive 5,740, and as what they said earlier, it will drop within 71 hours. All right, so let's come back again and head straight to our dashboard and get our Solana wallet address right here. So I'll just click on receive, then I'll copy it. Let's just watch and see if these guys can allow us to withdraw what we have right here. Okay, since we have already claimed our CYS token, so I'll click on withdraw right here again. Then I'll paste my Solana address. Then I'll click on maximum. Right, so I'll click on withdraw. Oh, withdrawal failed. Okay, they say withdrawal is temporarily unavailable. Please try again later. All right, they are working to restore it. So withdrawal are sent automatically on Solana mainnet. Network fee apply. Minimum withdrawal is 0.001. So if you have 0.001, which is minimum withdrawal, you can go ahead and withdraw. As you guys can see, I have 0.008 here, but the withdrawal is not currently going on. So according to them, they are working to fix everything. Okay, so I'll just keep trying, and whenever it goes through, I'll just pull it out. So if you know you participated in CYS claim your share project, just follow this prompt that I took, and claim your own token and wait for them to credit it in your wallet. So you guys have to stay updated on their channel and also stay updated on our channel as well, our YouTube channel, our Telegram community and our WhatsApp community, because after claiming in every project, the next thing is listing of listing and TGE, you understand? So probably once the claiming elapses, they will announce when they are going to list, and never can tell. They may reward and favor the community. This is a project that we've done and forgotten, but they are back here, reminding the community that we are still with you guys. So we just hope and pray that they reward the community. Just make sure you stay tuned on our channel so that you don't miss any updates whenever they talk about listing and TGE. Okay, so go ahead and claim your own CYS token if you participated in the project. So that is just basically the update that I really have for us in this particular video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, enjoy yourself, and bye for now.